Welcome back, my friends, to Sells Like Hotcakes. In this short video, we're going to talk about one of the most amazing tools that we have developed in your Sells Like Hotcakes arsenal of tools to help you succeed on Amazon and Shopify. Today, we're covering Shopify Competitor Spy tool, which allows you to legally spy on your competition by identifying how well they're doing, what traffic they're getting, and where it comes from, and what products sell best for them. Even if they try to hide their best sellers, we will find out. This way, you can quickly find out what are their best sellers and copy-paste these products to your store by finding similar products on AliExpress Marketplace. Basically, you leave no chance for guesswork, and you know exactly what your competitors are selling best, so you make sure that you put similar products in your storefront, and you feature them on your homepage on special deals, and this will really help you boost your sales. Let me quickly show you how it works. First, we go to Sells Like Hotcakes members area, and we go to Shopify Tools to Competitor Spy. Let's do quick searches. First, for example, for pet clothes. Since I'm doing some pet stores, so this makes sense if I spy on my competitors. Let's click search. It will take a while to load, so let's stay patient here because it will be loading a lot of stores for you. And also, it will be showing you the best-selling products. It's not important to just know the shop because you can just Google and find the shop. That's not a secret, but what's important for you is to find out what are their best sellers, and most of the shops will really easily show you their best sellers. So you need this tool to see what they're selling and what are their best sellers. You see, we found several shops. For example, GW Little, Little Cherry, again Little Cherry, Kawaii Paws, Spoiled Dog Designs, Dinky Dog Club, and these are the best sellers from each store. On the first page of our searches are the best sellers across all sites, which is very important to know what sells best on all sites. What else can we do? After we've got the list of the top sellers from each shop, we can analyze it further. First of all, you see this little green I button near each store? You can click it and get shop info here with all of the traffic details. If I click it, let's see what comes. We've got information about their traffic from SimilarWeb, and this gives us the details and traffic overview. And depending if this is a really big site, you also get information about audience and referrals. If this is a smaller site, you might not get this information because it will just say not enough data. You can see information about visitors they have and pages they visit, so you basically spy into the competitors. You can see what countries they're selling. These guys are selling in the United States. And then you might get traffic sources if the site is big enough. This is really good data which is coming from SimilarWeb, and this is really helpful for you to get. After you've identified the best seller of each shop, what you can do next is to try to get more details about each product that you've used. You're going to find something similar to this jacket for pets. You can click See Full Details. This page opens with full details about this product, which is one of their best sellers. This is where you can just find similar products on AliExpress for your shop to do the drop shipping method. It found a lot of similar products, and this one, for example, looks similar. Remember, images might look different because most sellers don't use ugly images from AliExpress and change them to nicer images like I showed you in other video, but the product is the same thing after all. This one, take a look. Of course, the photo will be different because you cannot find exactly the same, but you'll find several suppliers of similar product. I'm back now to Competitor Spy, and here I can see other top sellers. For example, this Ramsey tie pet apparel. If I click Full Details to see this product from Little Cherry Competitor's site, here you go. This is one of their best sellers, and if I click AliExpress Product Analogs, I can see similar products here. I can easily get similar products and drop ship and use them as my best sellers and my featured products. I hope this makes sense. Of course, you can do the same in different niches. What your goal is to analyze your competitors' Shopify stores, find out about their traffic, find out what countries they're selling in, find out if you can, if there is enough data, the referrals to see where the traffic is coming from, and the most important, find out what their best sellers is and how you can copy them and find suppliers from AliExpress for those products and then sell them yourself on your featured list to boost your sales. I hope this little tool helps you boost your sales as well and find suppliers from the best sellers of your competitors. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.